Are you frustrated with the default black error bars in your plots? You're not alone. Today, we're going to show you how to change the color of error bars in Plots.jl to match your line colors. I totally get it. It can be really annoying when your plots don't look the way you want them to. You want your visuals to be clear and aesthetically pleasing, right? This is a common issue for many users of the Plots package. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I change the color of error bars in Plots.jl when using the PyPlot backend? They noticed that the default error bars are black, and they want them to match the color of the line. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what's happening here? By default, Plots.jl sets error bars to black, which can be a bit jarring when your line is a different color. Fortunately, there's a simple way to customize this and make your plots more visually appealing. And stick around. I have a quick tip at the end that will help you enhance your plots even further. You won't want to miss it. To change the color of the error bars in plots with the PyPlot backend, the user should first specify the color of the line when creating the plot. This can be done by using the color attribute in the plot function. Next, the user can set the error bar color to match the line color. This is achieved by using the error bar color attribute, which can be set to the same color as the line. Alternatively, if the user wants to apply a consistent color to all error bars, they can define a color variable and use it for both the line and the error bars. Finally, the user should display the plot to see the changes. This can be done simply by calling the plot function without any additional parameters. Fun fact, did you know that the color blue is often associated with trust and dependability? So using blue in your plots might just make your data look more reliable. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user involves using the marker stroke color option. They explain that the marker stroke color, or MSC, sets the color of the error bars. Typically, you would also include points on your plot, which would have the stroke color matching the error bars. If you think a different default behavior would be better, you can suggest it by opening an issue on the Plots package. Here's that quick tip I promised. Experiment with different colors and styles for your plots. It can make a huge difference in how your data is perceived. And there you have it. You now know how to change the color of error bars in Plots.jl. Remember, a little customization can go a long way in making your data stand out. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.